Atom 2 is the world's first auto-foldable 3-axis phone gimbal. The revolutionary auto-folding design with smart sensing feature makes it extremely portable and easy to use. Atom 2 only weighs 280 grams. Carrying the Atom 2 is as easy as carry any carry-on items. You can easily bring it anywhere and anytime without taking up too much space. Unlike the ordinary folding gimbals, with Snopa's 3-axis anti-shake technology, the Atom 2 is designed with a selfie stick looking, which is so amazing in the gimbals category. The roll and pan axes both use direct drive brushless motor. The tilt axis uses a hybrid brushless motor. It has a much higher torsion and excellent stabilizing performance without the need of counterweight, which effectively makes it more compact and lighter. When opening the gimbal, the Atom 2 can sense your open action and automatically unfold the arm to initialize the motors. Just clip your phone into the middle of the holder, press the button, and get ready to shoot. Closing the Atom 2 is a one-key operation. After the phone is unmounted, just press the button once, and the arm will automatically fold instantly and close, which is an easy, fast, and cool action. For video filming purpose, the 3-axis gimbal can best eliminate shakes and jitters in all 3 directions of roll, tilt, and pan, balancing the phone camera in real time and effectively making the footage smooth and steady. In daily use, carrying extra accessories is always a burden. The Atom 2 has an extendable handle, allowing you to take better selfie shots with wider field of view. With the integrated tripod, you can directly stand it on any flat surface for an easy hands-free filming, like time-lapse, auto-tracking, live streaming, and so on, anytime and anywhere. Switching orientations between landscape and portrait modes is just a one-key operation. You can freely change the orientation instantly and get the right frame you need. With the 5-way joystick, you can manually control the gimbal directions by moving your thumb. With Atom 2's exclusive application, you can enjoy more filming functions, like gesture control, auto-tracking, POV follow, time-lapse, and so on. Atom 2 is definitely your best phone filming assistant that can provide you the best portability, fast setup, and rich functionality. With Atom 2, you will enjoy a cool and fantastic using experience than ever before. Just carry it and record your wonderful life anytime and anywhere.